applause of the one and only Kim Chu!
Totoo lang, kinakabahan po talaga ako, pero dahil sa inyo, this is gonna be amazing! Thank you sa lahat po na nagpunta ngayon, sa mga friends, supporters. Pero may special greeting daw siya dapat today. Si Lassie, may ka-date siya. Congrats! Ayan, nasabi ko ha.
Date reveal!
Mamsi Dawson, Mamsi Angga, thank you so much. Sa lahat naman nandito, thank you so much.
Empaw!
Once again, the cast of My Love will make you disappear!
Ayan, dito kayo.
Napatuloy kayo dyan! Ayan!
Siyempre, pasalamat na rin natin si Anne. Thank you so much, Anne.
Thank you, Anne! Yan si The Rich.
Good shot.
Dahil Max na tayo. Ayun na tinatanggal ko.
Ayan, the cast of My Love will make you disappear. Dito na sa stage. Grabe naman yung damit nila. The whole look. Kaya thank you guys so much for joining us. This is the Eric, of course, premiering worldwide starting tomorrow, March 26. May mga international screen dates din, March 27 sa Singapore, Malaysia, UAE, Australia, and New Zealand. March 28 available sa US, Canada, Guam, and Taiwan, and many more territories. Kaya kita-kit din sa special screening and meet and greet with Kim Chu and Cloud Avelino mismo. Ayan, of course, we also have special screenings March 28 to 30 so Los Angeles, California, and April 12 and 13 sa Dubai. For more international screening tickets, please visit mytfc.com.
Yes, and don't forget to use the official hashtag for tonight. Hashtag My Love will make you disappear. And hashtag NLWNYT The World Premiere. Siyempre, thank nila din ang cast and ang Star Cinema.
Of course, you can see DVC Karina Bautista and Jeremiah responding ng 360 app right now. And of course, you want to acknowledge and thank SM Fitness because of My Love.
My Love will make you disappear. Thank you for coming sa mga nandito pa kanina pa. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo dito.
Ayan. And Dito din si Washing Night.
Iwan yung phone. Nasa media box po kami kaya nakatalikod. Sorry.
Ano ka dulit?
Sir Mico Del Rosario, congratulations! And of course, the whole cast as well of My Love Will Make You Disappear.
Kung saan-saan ang mga kimpaw, diba? Sa mga shows nila.
As in,
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, inikot nila.
yung pinaka-latest sa atin nila, Jensen. I think.
Yes, Jensen and
Batangas.
Batangas.
Yes. Bongga. Okay. So again, we would also like to remind everyone, nakikita ko naman na lahat ng phones nyo ay naka-record. So don't forget to post and use our hashtags, hashtag My Love Will Make You Disappear and hashtag MLWMYD, the world premiere.
Ang ginagawa pa natin siyempre are the reactions. Kung kayo, siyempre before, naka-record din sila natin, ready din makita mga reactions. Pero after, may niluha ba? Masaya na, smiling the whole time. We will see in just a few moments.
Ayan, yes. Thank you as well to our friends from the media who are here to help us and who are covering as well from the red carpet from Julia Vargas to here, and also the crew who made this possible.
Yes, shout out of course to the promo team of Star Cinema and the whole Star Cinema family for making this film possible.
Yes, we're so excited. 2025 truly is our year.
And of course, gusto nyo pa magpaka-bongga for tonight, pwede kayo mag-book na rin ng mga box screenings.
Yes. Okay.
For our beloved Kimpa.
Yes, again, Jay.
Make you disappear! Tapos na kayo dyan! Ayan!
Siyempre, pasalamatan din natin. Salamat sa lahat. At excited ako mapanood yung Yes, once again, ang class of My Love Will Make You Disappear. Para po sila mabasa picture ko muna.